Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's edition of Where to Wear. Today we are heading to the enchanting city of Barcelona. If you've not been, Barcelona is an amazing city. You will be met with incredible people that are so warm. They're full of life, they're full of music. There's so much art in the city. It has a bohemian sensibility, and it is an incredible place with so many sights, sounds, smells, and wonderful things to taste. So for today, for our client traveling there, I put together an outfit that after the mid-afternoon siesta, she would put on, go for a walk in an amazing part of the city, and then go out for the evening until probably 4 in the morning because the people of Barcelona, they definitely stay out late. So for a travel outfit, I thought I would put together some pieces that can be used throughout the trip and then also look really nice in an outfit altogether. So let's get started with an easy layering piece. So I chose this racerback tank from Toteme. It's wonderful, it's packable, it's stretchy, it's comfortable, and it's a little more elevated than just your basic tank. This woman is traveling to an amazing metropolitan city, so dressing your best is important. I love this idea of a bright white denim cotton fabric to go next to this tank. It is a little more full and a little bit longer, so it's a little more forward. And I love this pleating detail. Think of almost a sheath skirt that has an A-line to it. That's what this short is going to do to the frame. So to finish off this outfit, I have this piece right here, and you've probably been staring at it during the video wondering what this is. We have a brand new brand at Rikk called Alain Paul. The designer is a former ballet performer, so has that in the DNA of the brand. So this piece in particular is so unique. Think of a denim skirt that's almost been moved up to wear on the torso. It's cut like a jacket. This is such a cool piece that you can wear on its own, but think of it as a top, as a vest, as a jacket. It can be worn so many different ways. So I thought this was such a cool piece to put on the top of the tank and the short. So the afternoon sun is pretty strong in Barcelona, so I think sunnies are an absolute must. You're in the city though, so I think having something that's a little more unique. I chose these from St. Laurent. It has a very, very mod kind of feel to it, which I think kind of pops with the outfit and fits the location really well. And then on the foot, I wanted something comfortable but still chic that looked very current and like something this woman would wear going out in a city, and I chose a new brand at Rikk. This is Paris, Texas. It definitely has a Western cowboy kind of vibe to it, but the heel isn't Western. It's more chic and clean, and I love the suede paired back to denim. It's a very classic pairing that just looks very sophisticated. So lastly, for a bag to take around the city with you, I chose this new Marcy bag from Chloe. It just came in, and I love the raffia combined with leather detail with a little bit of gold. I feel like this has a very bohemian vibe to it that fits the city really well. It's a great size for travel, it's crossbody, and I love just the little pop of brown in this black and white outfit. Super cool. So my one hot tip for Barcelona, if you have a free evening like this woman, I would definitely head to the Mercat Sant Antoni. It is a wonderful place that is a market that is filled with food and vintage shopping and antiques all in one place. It opens right after siesta, and it's a wonderful place to just stroll, experience, take in the sights and sounds. It is in the Old Town, so I would definitely take your high school Spanish in the brain and bring that with you because you'll need it. It's a wonderful place to experience the local food and maybe bring home a special trinket for yourself as well. Thank you for coming to Barcelona with me today. It's a wonderful city. Definitely experience it at least once in your life. And yeah, if you need any other style advice for amazing locations, or even if your location is right here in Grand Rapids, we're happy to help you, and we'll see you soon.